Do you have an air conditioning unit that seems to work but not cooling the room? Watch this video because it could be an easy fix. On the outdoor unit, the fan is working but it is not blowing warm air as it should be. It is also too quiet and the compressor seems to be not working. This condition is common to old air conditioning unit. This one is so old that birds make a nest inside it. I removed the front cover and found a wiring diagram that can be useful for checking out the problem. With the covers removed, I conclude that the compressor is indeed not working because I cannot feel the vibration when touched. I go ahead and use a multimeter to check the continuity of the motor windings inside. There are 3 wires going to the motor, and for this unit, they are the wires colored red, gray, and blue. I checked the continuity between each of the 3 wires and they tested good. The next item I will test is the starting capacitor. I immediately see that there is something wrong with it because the terminals are not firmly attached to the canister, and liquid electrolyte is visibly leaking out. My multimeter has a capacitance value tester, so I quickly probe the capacitor terminals and the meter shows no value. This capacitor is definitely dead. I bought a replacement capacitor and for comparison, I test the capacitance value with the meter. The good capacitor shows the correct value within the tolerance rating. The bad capacitor, on the other hand, will show a different value or, in this case, show no capacitance at all. I simply replaced the capacitor and now the compressor motor is working fine. And with the clamp meter, it shows that it is drawing current. During operation, the outdoor unit is blowing warm air, as it should be, and most importantly, the room is now cooled. Please consider subscribing to my channel and thank you very much.